Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be working with WeCreat to launch their new laser, the Lumis. The Lumis is equipped with two lasers. It has a 3-watt IR laser and also a 10-watt diode. It can engrave metal as well as cut wood and over 300 other materials. It's compact, it's super fast, and portable. So let's get into it. If you are looking to elevate or level up your craft business, this is the laser you definitely want to look into. As I mentioned before, it is compact, fast, and portable, which means more business for you on the spot during your craft fairs. As you can see, I've been having tons of fun with this machine. I've tested some cork coasters, I've engraved those. I also engraved some wood and cut it as well. And the big showstopper is the ability that you can not only engrave metal, but you can engrave in color. I will go into that feature in more detail in another video, but in this video we're going to engrave metal bracelets. Now this is an aluminum engravable bracelet. We're going to go ahead and set it right here underneath the laser. You want to make sure you center it under the lights. And going over to the Make It software by WeCreat, we're going to quickly be able to personalize this bracelet by just typing in some names, picking a font, and adding a couple of hearts in there just to make it a little decorative. The Make It software is super easy to use. All you need to do is double check your settings. We are going to be using the red light for this project because it is metal. I did pick the 2mm metal brass because it is a brass color. And we're going to be using the fill engrave feature. So the system has a built-in camera. We're going to click refresh so that we can see at real time, and then also autofocus. The autofocus feature measures the distance of your material from the laser so it knows exactly where to cut and engrave. So once you have everything centered, you go ahead and click the start button and it'll tell you right here how long it's going to take, and the estimated processing time is 1 minute and 2 seconds. We're going to go ahead and click the send button. It's going to give you a couple of images on the screen to remind you to put down the shield and to press the button to start. And this is where the magic happens. Within just 1 minute, we're going to see this blank bracelet transform into a personalized item. I did not speed this up. This is real time, so you can see how fast this is. So it'll take a minute. We'll just go ahead and watch this as it goes. What's so impressive about this project is that we're going to be done in about a minute. That means that you're going to be able to create personalized bracelets on the spot for your customers at your markets and craft fairs. I wasn't kidding when I told you this thing was fast. It was so fast and so impressive. So now we go ahead and click the complete button on the screen and we can lift the shield to reveal our product. Let's get a closer look. You can see the detail is there. It's accurate, it's precise, and it's amazing. Now to finish this bracelet, you're going to want to use a bending tool to bend the metal into a bracelet form. And again, another super easy task. All you have to do is just place the metal into the form and bend it. And now you have a personalized bracelet that you can put people's names on it. You can put your favorite scripture, a favorite saying or motto, or maybe an anniversary date. Anything you'd want, you can engrave on this bracelet. Now let's switch this up and think about packaging. When you're creating your personalized items at your show or online to ship out, you might want to add some branding to create a little more personalization. So why not elevate your branding game and use the laser to add your logo? So back to the Make It software, we're going to go ahead and upload my logo. I'm going to change this to it's a bitmap engrave, and we're going to use the paper corrugated option. It's a 2mm paper corrugated material. I autofocused it. It knows the thickness of it based on the camera, and we go ahead and send it to the machine. Again, I did not fast forward or speed this up. This is real-time footage showing you how quick and easy it is to add your branding to a cardboard box. This is another super fast task that you can do in preparation for your market or your craft fair, or you can do that while you're waiting for your customers. You can also upsell this feature when you're selling your bracelets or whatever you're selling at your market, and have people put in a special note or a saying or even a picture. Okay, in just seconds we had a full branding added to our cardboard box. And now we're just going to wrap it up nicely. This is again another option you can offer as a gift wrap for somebody during your craft fair. This is just one way you can elevate your business and upgrade your features that you offer, your personalization, your customization, your on-the-spot sales with the WeCreat Lumos. Of course, I didn't stop there. I went ahead and tried some different items such as erasers and pencils, and again back to the cork and the wood that I engraved. They all came out amazing. So that wraps up this video. If you are interested in getting a fast, portable, compact laser that can engrave both metal and wood, definitely check out the WeCreat Lumos. If you have any questions, please drop them below. I also have links to the product down below. And as always, thank you for watching. See you next time.